Hi guys, I just wanted to show you the at-home learning folder that's been created for us to put into our courses. So it is in our Science 6 resources, this green folder at-home learning. So you're gonna move the entire thing over. So we'll add to course. I'm just gonna add it to my first course for now, and I'm not going to put it in any folder. Okay, so now that's added. So I'm going to come over here to my first period where I added that, and let me delete this one. Delete. Okay, and so now to make this ready for students, inside here, it has all of the resources available to them to see right now, which might be a little overwhelming for students. So my plan is to make each week visible throughout the time. So right now I'm going to come over here and unpublish each of these resources that they don't need right now. And simply by clicking on the cog and pushing unpublish, it lets me hide all of those features. And that way when the students come to this folder, they are only going to see the science textbook link and what week 1 summary is. And then when it's time for week 2, which is just the end of week response, I will come over here and I will publish that when I want them to be able to see it. We still do need to, any time we see the green puzzle piece, we need to go into that and go to our settings and allow for submissions. Just like we were doing on our quizzes for our literacy. And so the only thing we should have to change is the day that it's available, which we want these to become available on Friday, and the day that it can be submitted until. So then we'll push save changes, and now in my course 1, my students can all see this, but we'll be able to enter in a response come Friday. I would suggest going into each of these puzzle pieces and setting up all of your settings that you would like. And then from first period, after I've got everything set up, I don't know if you want to do like a student completion that makes it so that they have to, for this one, make a submission, and that'll give them a check mark. If you want to go through each of these quizzes and do that, so that when you copy it to your rest of your courses, you only have to change those settings once. So now I'm going to pretend I have this all the way set and ready to go. And I'm going to go to my main screen. And then this folder, now that it has all of those settings, I'm going to choose to copy to courses. And when I copy to courses, now I can copy it to each of my courses, and it should copy over all of those settings that I just changed. So I only have to change them once, and now it should be pretty simple to go and just make those things available and viewable as the weeks pass by. Good luck. Let me know if you have any questions. And yeah, stay healthy.